All right, so let me go ahead and share my screen for you. Oh, wait, wrong one. Here we go. Okay, so it says Dave can clean pools at a constant rate of 3/5 or 3 out of 5 pools per hour. So it says, what is the ratio of the number of pools to the number of hours? So the very first thing that Ms. Brown wants to do is I want to go in and annotate my question, right? And so if you look, I went in and I boxed it. So Dave can clean at a constant rate of 3 out of 5 pools per hour. I boxed my ratio and I underlined its units. So now knowing that, I'm going to go in and the first question is asking me to write the constant rate of 3 out of 5 as a ratio. So for part A, my ratio is going to be 3 out of 5. 3 pools per 5 hours. That means that Dave can clean 3 pools in 5 hours. Okay. Part B says, how many pools can Dave clean in 10 hours? So moving on to part B. So the very first thing I want to do is set up my initial ratio. My initial ratio is pool over hours. Okay. And then my ratio is 3 out of 5. Now, in knowing that, if it says that it gave us 10, so he can clean, or how many pools can he clean in 10 hours? I have my 10 hours, but I'm not sure how many pools he can clean. What I'm going to do is go in and I'm going to cross multiply. Okay. And so my 3 and my 10 are together, but 5 doesn't have anything to multiply by. So I'm going to divide my 5. So I now have 3 times 10 divided by 5. Okay. And then we all know that 3 times 10 is 30. 30 divided by 5 is 6. So Dave can clean 6 pools in 10 hours. Okay. Just to go back and check my work, I'm going to write my ratio table. Okay. So I know that we're going to set it up pools out of hours. He can clean 3 pools in 5 hours. So how many can he clean in 10? Okay. So 5, to get from 5 to 10, 5 times 2 is 10. And remember what we do to one side, we want to do to the next. So 3 times 2 is 6. So we were able to check our work and see that Dave can clean 6 pools in 10 hours, which is the same thing that we have here, that he can clean 6 pools in 10 hours. Okay, so let's go down to part C. It says, how long does it take Dave to clean 15 pools? We're going to do the exact same thing, starting off by setting up our initial ratio, which is 3 out of 5. We now know that he's cleaning 15 pools, but we're not sure how long it's going to take. 15 pools, but we don't know how long it's going to take. Oh, Ms. Brown did her ratio backwards. 15, and this is my question mark. Okay, so I'm going to cross multiply 15 times 5, 25, 2, 5, 6, 7. So I have 5 times 15 divided by 3 because 3 isn't multiplied by anything. So 5 times 15 divided by 3, 5 times 15 is 75. 75 divided by 3 gives me 25. So that lets me know that Dave can clean 25 pools in 15 hours. Going back, I want to make sure that I'm checking my work. And so I'm going to set up my ratio table. We're going to do pools to hours. Initially, we know that he can clean 3 pools in 5 hours. We also found out that